верховенство права, основой там является там закон.
Они же вот про законов там...
Что ты думаешь? Ну, если закона не будет, люди могут творить что угодно.
Все равны, все по обоюдному согласию.
In India, about the basic rule is all are equal before law.
Верховенство права, я думаю, это когда будет услышан каждый гражданин и мнение каждого человека.
The rule, command, supremacy, law, norms and rules regulating human interaction in the society. The rule of law, the legal principle, where no one is above the law and everyone is equal before the law. The state which adheres to the rule of law principle guarantees the following. All the people, organizations, including the government, are accountable and responsible before the law. The laws are clear, available to everyone and are executed. The judiciary system is independent and resolves disputes in a fair and public way. All persons are presumed innocent until proved otherwise in courts. No one shall be subjected to arbitrary imprisonment or deprivation of property. The punishment should be determined by the court and be proportionate to the offense committed. The rule of law is clearly reflected in the constitution of all the democratic states, including in the constitution of our country, the first article of which states that the Kyrgyz Republic is the sovereign, unitary, democratic republic founded on the basis of legal, secular state. The rule of law principle requires the power to be separated among the three major branches of powers: legislative, judiciary, executive. Each of them function according to the system of checks and balances. The rule of law requires that the president, judges and other government officials take an oath to follow the constitution of the Kyrgyz Republic. The rule of law is a guarantee of Kyrgyzstan's stable development.